About a geometric sequence, they tell you that the third term, so you should brainstorm immediately. The third term is a r power of 2, and the sixth term here, that means a r power of 5. They say that they are 144 and 486 respectively, so you may say a r power of 2 is equal to 144. At the same time, a r power of 5 is equal to 486. To solve this simultaneous equation, the most effective way is divide them, because a divided by a will give you 1, which will eliminate it. So we use this one divided by this one. We get a r power 5 divided by a r power 2 should equal to this divided by this. So 486 divided by 144. R power 3 is equal to their ratio. We get 27 over 8. And then, so the opposite is cubic roots. On both sides, we get 3 over 2. You don't need to worry about the sign because it is an odd index. One more thing to highlight, if you understand more about geometric sequence, from the third term, jump the first time, fourth, fifth, and then reach the sixth term. So every time times r times r times r again, there are 3 jumps from the third one. So most straightforward one is this one times r power 3 will give you 486. So you may directly write down 144. Perform this action for 3 times will give you 486, which is equivalent to the equation here. And then in part A, we didn't finish. We still need to get A. So we call that a r power 2 is equal to 144. So a times 3 over 2 bracket square equal 144. Just get it very carefully. Don't make careless mistake. Which is 64. Now we have the full picture of this geometric sequence. A equal to 64 while the ratio is 3 over 2. Finally, they say the list value of n, the key point is the requirement, such that the sum of first n term, so we are talking about Sn, is greater than this amount. Strictly follow the requirement here is given that Sn is larger than 8 times 10 power 18. It's quite straightforward, just simply use the formula. A times r power of n minus 1 over r minus 1 is larger than this amount. And then update the information about a and r. We get 64 and then 3 over 2 power of n minus 1 over 3 over 2 minus 1. Simplify a little bit. 128 times 3 over 2 power of n minus 1. Both sides divided by 128. You're going to use calculator later on, so no matter you simplify or not, it's not important. Minus 1, so that means plus 1 here. And then we are going to handle the equation with unknown at the index. So we are going to use our powerful tools, which is take log on both sides. A very important property of log is you can take out the index and put it in the front. So it's become n log 3 over 2 is larger than take log and one very important in this calculation is log is strictly increasing function. So when you take log on both sides, their direction is still unchanged. Finally, divide both sides by log 3 over 2. Beware to check whether log 3 over 2 is positive or negative. Because log 3 over 2 is larger than 0, it is positive. So when you divide both sides by that, you don't need to change the direction. Therefore, by using calculator, n is larger than 95.38 something something. N is the how many terms, so it is integer, whole number. The least integer to fulfill this requirement is 96.